Hello, in this video I'll tell how we use uh, calendar scope for AI phone receptionist. AI phone receptionist app dashboard has a dedicated tab for scheduling and calendar related features. First is the calendar, which shows all of the events. Either they are synced from Google or either they are created from AI phone receptionist dashboard itself, or like any point from AI phone receptionist. Second is the My Services tab. My Service is basically um, an event type of what type of service this business offers, and there is they services have a shareable link, a public shareable link where users can also book events with this particular business and this particular host. So I have connected this member for as a host, and to be fair, this is my account. This is my account on AI Phone Receptionist, and you can see this is the email that I connected as a host. And okay, so this host account, they can go to availability and connect any Google Calendar if they want to. It is not essential that it is the same email they have account on. They can connect any email. So for now, I'll connect this particular email. This is my second email where I have two users. Um, One is the primary one, and this is the secondary one. So you can see I'll connect the secondary one for cleanliness. Secondary one has this event coming on. So these all events, should sync essentially to AF on receptionist. So I click on that, go to advanced, continue, and in the services we are asking for the events that like we want to sync, of course, all of the events, and we need access to those, and we also have access to the calendar that they have. So we probably show them all of the calendars or the sub calendars they have the right access to, so that they can select which one they want to connect from, like the test user and the primary one that I showed you in that email. So essentially when this is connected for a second, and you can see we have options to which calendar they want to sync. I select this test user for cleanliness, and I click on connect. Okay, this takes a few minutes to sync on all of the events of the connected users or the connected calendar. So with that particular calendar, if I go to calendar now, it is still syncing. You can see it synced all of the events from this calendar that I connected to, and the particular sub calendar that we wanted to connect with. Okay, now this is as this sync is described as bidirectional. So one direction is covered, like from Google Calendar to AI Form Receptionist. You can see all of the events are synced, and if I create one on Google Calendar as well, it should sync to the AI Form Receptionist. But an important part here is that any event created from AI Form Receptionist, it should also be created on Google Calendar, because it is a bidirectional sync. So for this, I'll use the calendar shareable link. So this link is a public booking link where users can um, uh, book particular services. So I want to book this particular consultation, and any slots that are offered to the users are calculated um, on base of the availabilities. So if I click on this, on base of availabilities, and they are also calculated on base of the external events sent from Google. So the availability only covers the available slots, so that it does not conflict from external Google and as well. So you see I have the 9 a.m., 9:30, and I'll go with the 10 a.m. slot. This is the host which we wanted to, and then I click on, I just name it anything. I use this email, and the phone number, I'll use my dial pad one, just a second. And then I click on confirm booking. You can see the booking is confirmed. If I go back, yeah, I also received a confirmation. If I go back in here and I go to calendar, you can see this also has appeared here as 1 a.m. Because like this particular calendar um, has a different time zone, because my time zone is right now New York, so this is displaying in New York time zone. So this is expected. It is fine. I'll go to Google Calendar. You can see this consultation has just came for the same time, because while booking, the agent's time zone was the same as this Google Calendar, which is Asia Karachi, and you can see it is the same time that I booked. Uh, and yes, so yeah, so come on here. Um, yeah, this is essentially everything that we have. We use these events to keep in sync with the AI. They can also create events from here. Manually, the business owner can add an event. Users can use the shareable link as just we saw, or the business owners users or their clients can call this AI and also book an event. So there are multiple ways, uh, but the foundation is the same. Thank you.